Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You need to be in GTA Online and ready to make a new character. This is the only reliable path. Once in the character creator, move straight to the cosmetics section. Don't waste time in clothing shops. Face paint options appear during creation. Pick the head and skin preset that best suits the paint you want, then proceed to the makeup tab. Make choices now, because later changes are limited without recreating the character. Act decisively and follow the next steps. In the makeup section, select face paint and pick a base design. This is where you control how it reads in-game. Once chosen, tweak color, opacity, and scale to match your character's skin and lighting. Make sure to rotate the camera and test different angles so the paint isn't washed out under sunlight or night lighting. If you need contrast, adjust heritage or skin tone sliders slightly. Confirm only after previewing, because you'll want this exact setup saved in the next step. Finalize by confirming the new character and immediately save the appearance as an outfit in the interaction menu. This preserves the face paint. Once done, test by switching into that outfit and checking in different sessions. If you don't see the paint later, first re-equip the saved outfit, then restart the game session. If the issue persists, clear cache or relog to GTA Online, and as a final fallback, recreate the character, because remember, this is the only guaranteed way to get.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.